Hi, I'm Kevin Barnes, founder of Lifestyle Electronics. This video will explain how to reboot a Pro24 Remote that has stopped functioning. The Pro24 Remote is one of the most reliable and easy-to-use remote controls my company offers. Whenever I introduce this remote to a client, I explain to them that someday this remote may stop working. It may lock up, or the screen won't turn on even though it's been on the charger for some time. This may happen in 3 months, it may happen in 6 months, or it may never happen. But if it does, the fix is very easy and so far has restored the operation of the remote in 100% of the cases. What you do is simply remove the battery cover by sliding it down like this. Under the battery cover is an on-off switch. You simply flip it off and then back on. It will start working immediately. I hope you have found this video to be helpful. If so, pressing the like button will result in us continuing to make videos on electronic systems, solutions, and components. If you would like a laminated instruction sheet on the Pro24 Remote, like this one, email us at info@lifestyleelectronics.com and for $5 we'll send you one in the mail.